What's up, YouTube? Steeler Cards. Sorry, but the last video, my camera memory was full, so I'll upload the first part of the first pack. Thank goodness it ran low right now, so only the first pack. So sorry about that. I'll upload that video. So this is where we ended last time. So yeah, went through these already. So here we go. Braves, Dodgers, Blue Jays, Pirates, and the refractor.
It's a twin.
It's a twin. Eddie Rosario. Auto refractor. Nice. Numbered 50 of 500. So nice hit there for the Twins. Refractor auto. First pack auto. Okay, so Dodgers, Blue Jays, Cubs, Red Sox, Yankees, Blue Jays, Cardinals, Blue Jays, Braves, Angels, Tigers, Rays, Nationals, Yankees, Reds, and Astros. So, nice hit there for the Twins. So yeah, it's pack 2 of the 12. 2 autos to go. Kind of sucks we got in the first pack, but...
Happens.
And that it wasn't a pirate, but it's okay.
Yeah, next.
Got a blue paper in this pack. Braves, Angels, Dodgers, Tigers, Reds, Rockies, Cardinals, Pirates. Sorry, my friends got the Pirates. Braves, Royals, and Rays. Here, get these. Not that
Tyler
one.
gets a second box.
Rays, and a blue for the Pirates. Of Neil Walker. Numbered 280 of 500.
No, because I already have his in gold.
Bubba Starling, Giants, Twins, Dodgers, Rockies. Nice Harper there. Pirates, Red Sox, Yankees, Rockies, Yankees, Angels.
Oh, nice.
Diamondbacks, Ichiro, Blue Jays, Reds, and yeah. Guys, stop. You guys are annoying. Sorry.
I'm done.
Okay, here, organize these. It's pack 2. Yeah.
Doesn't Tyler get the second box?
No, he doesn't.
Like sorting.
Oh, yeah. Just stop. Okay, third pack. Move the crackers.
My bad.
Got a refractor in this pack. Twins. Mariners, Giants, Rockies, Brewers, Red Sox, and Diamondbacks. Rockies. Nice Harper there. Another Harper from this box. Yeah, for the Nationals. Indians, Giants, Rockies, Giants, and for the Orioles, Nick Delmonico.
Nice, Tom.
Numbered to 500.
Nice.
The Orioles. Not bad. Another Giants, Yankees, Braves, Padres, Cardinals, Pirates, Nationals, Orioles, Rays, Rockies, Phillies, Yankees, Phillies, Tigers, Royals, and Tigers. Okay. Here, organize all these. Still only one auto from the box, Eddie Rosario. Show it to blog.
Next part.
Still a bunch of packs left. Got a blue in this pack. It's a nice card. Rays, Padres, Braves, Blue Jays, Mets, Cardinals. And for the Angels, Nick Miranda, Austin Hedges, Cardinals, Dodgers, Yankees, Tigers, Matt Moore for the Rays, and slide it. Pitcher, Greg Billow for the Royals, blue, numbered 47 of 250.
Nice.
So another nice hit there. Giants, Twins, Angels, Mariners, Nationals, A's, Rockies, Phillies, Blue Jays, A's, Marlins, Detroit, Braves, and Giants. Still 8 packs left. Still 2 autos to go. Who knows? We could pull a Darvish.
Darvish.
Okay. Doesn't look like we got anything in here. Tigers, Pirates, Indians, Reds, Nationals, Braves, Phillies, Blue Jays, Padres, A's, Red Sox, Tigers, Nationals, Red Sox, Joey Votto, International, Canada. That's pretty cool. No auto. Devin Mesoraco for the Reds, Blue Jays, Red Sox, Mets, Dodgers, Mets, Red Sox, Yankees, Royals, Orioles, Mariners, Phillies, Diamondbacks, Angels, Reds, Giants, and Tigers. So nothing much in this pack. Still only 2 autos to go. Here, move that. Tell her move the wrappers. Orange in this pack: Yankees, Dodgers, Braves, Rangers, Brewers, Yankees, White Sox, Indians, Blue Jays, Red Sox, Rays, Blue Jays, Cubs, Indians. Put that away. Orange for the Orioles. That's a cool looking card. Numbered to 250, Adam Jones. I think I'm going to keep the Orioles. No auto. Yankees, Braves, Nationals, Giants, Rays, Red Sox, Blue Jays, Yankees, Mets, White Sox, Angels, A's, Nationals, Indians, Cubs, A's. Still 2 autos. Move that. Okay. Too bad the wrapper redemption pulled out so fast. Looks like we got an auto in this pack. Cardinals, Yankees, Giants, Rays, Indians, Rangers, I can't even talk. Dodgers, Red Sox, Blue Jays, Mets, Cardinals, Blue Jays, Twins, Mariners, Tigers, and the auto is for the Red Sox.
Oh, nice.
Brandon Jacobs. Nice. For the Red Sox.
Stephon.
That's for Stephon. Rays, Tigers, Blue Jays, Indians, Padres, Pirates, Marlins, Tigers, Angels, Cardinals, Rays, Miami, A's, Royals, Giants, and A's and Phillies. So 2 autos down. Not the best box so far. Yeah, so 5 packs left. Hasn't been pulled.
Open.
No auto. A's, Mariners, Red Sox, Rangers, Yankees, Braves, Brewers, Angels, A's, Astros, Rays, Rockies, Rays, Dodgers, Royals, off-centered Dodgers, Tulowitzki for the Rockies, Blue Jays, Red Sox, Reds, Braves, Blue Jays, Cubs, Mariners, Rays, Blue Jays, Giants, Yankees, Phillies, Cubs. $6. So, yeah. Still 4 packs to go. This could be an auto in this pack, and it is. Jeff Locke, Pirates. Diamondbacks, Cardinals, Phillies, Diamondbacks, Brewers, Mets, Cubs, Red Sox, Rockies, Marlins, Blue Jays, Tigers, Miami. We got Silver Ice. Here. It's of Josh Hamilton.
Oh, nice.
He's just a Rangers fan, that's why.
He's the best player
For
in the
the
world.
Rangers. And no auto, actually, sorry. Tyler Skaggs for the Diamondbacks. Padres, Rockies, Marlins, Cardinals, Astros, Blue Jays, A's, Miami, Phillies, Nationals, Rockies, Pirates, Nationals, and Braves. You need to collect this, Justin.
Dude, I went for the half trick. Look.
3 autos, or 1 auto left.
Thank God. Dude, half trick. Oh, wow.
Rays, Twins, Rays, Tigers, Padres, Indians, Cardinals, Rangers, Braves, Giants, Rockies, Cubs, Giants, blue in this pack. For the Giants, Matt Cain, numbered 165/500, followed by a Tim Lincecum and Oscar Taveras. Cardinals, Rays, Pirates, Padres, Royals, Reds, Giants, Cubs, Angels, Reds, Blue Jays, A's, Rockies, and Twins.
These are really good ones.
Blue Jays always get a bunch of cards.
Why?
I don't know. 2 packs left, 1 auto to go.
Oh, hopefully we can the last one. Yeah.
Okay, doesn't look like we got one here.
Good.
Brewers, Red Sox, Mets, Rockies, Yankees, Phillies, Brewers, Twins, Mariners, Yankees, Cubs, Rays, Nationals, Silver Ice in this pack, David Wright, and Doug Fister for the Tigers. Put that there. And yeah, it's in the last pack, the auto. Padres, Blue Jays, Rockies, Pirates, Braves, Giants, Phillies, Blue Jays, Angels, Orioles, Royals, Tigers, Mets, Rangers, White Sox, and Giants. 1 pack left. Empty box. Just
The auto's in here.
should be an auto.
Darvish.
Could be Darvish.
Yeah, I want it to be Nick Miranda.
Yep, I think it's a. Yep, it's a base auto. Tigers, Twins, Braves, Cardinals, Mariners, Brewers, Rangers, Orioles, Red Sox, Blue Jays, Nationals, Orioles, Rockies,
And the
last auto for the Pirates.
Yes! Yeah! Beautiful.
Clay Holmes.
That's okay. I got an auto.
For the auto, or for the Tyler. Nice there. Royals, Tigers, Orioles, Mariners, Cubs, Angels,
Yes.
Giants,
Nice.
Cardinals, Twins, Giants, Red Sox, Nationals, Orioles, Brewers, Royals, and Diamondbacks. So, to recap it off, not a great box.
Yeah, it is. I got it.
Well, Tyler's happy. Doug Fister, Matt Cain, Josh Hamilton, Nick Delmonico, Greg Billow, Eddie Rosario, Refractor Auto, Brandon Jacobs, and Clay Holmes autos, and Neil Walker.
For the win.
So yeah, oh, and this, Adam Jones. So yeah, that's the recap. I'll ship these packages out pretty soon, and thank you all for joining. See ya.